Hi, my name is Shin, and this is my entry for Impetus and AWS GenAI Hackathon. Synthergy is a high-fidelity synthetic data platform that helps organizations to generate realistic, privacy-reserved datasets for testing, analytics, and machine learning without exposing sensitive information. Unlike traditional tools that sacrifice either data qualities or compliance, the model uses synthesis formula to retain original properties depends on your parameters while removing all direct identifiers. It supports many input formats, handle missing value, and export clean, usable data. Now let's jump right into it. I'll run Streamlit to run our models. This might take a few seconds. Data generation. I'll pick global energy consumption CSV for this demo. You can determine all your parameters here, pick the column that you want, or display all the row that you want for preview. My sample size is 5,000. Privacy level is medium because this is global data, and the model I pick gonna be table again. For the sake of time, I will not go through all of it and go straight into report generation. Pick your title, generate report. This gonna generate both HTML file and PDF file. While the report is generated, I want to bring your attention to the architecture that I have. The IAM user will be defined to manage access to certain components. Starting with the S3 bucket input, will trigger the Lambda function to generate data and go into the S3 output. And all of this is going to be monitored by ClockWatch for logging and debugging. And after the synthetic data being generated, it's going to trigger the Lambda function generated report, which wrapped by Amazon Bedrock. Because we need the access to the machine learning model for smart analysis. And this all going to be orchestrated by ECR. And the script that run the ECR is CloudFormation. And it's all going to go into our Streamlit apps. Let's view the report. I'll pick the HTML for reliability. So as you can see here, thanks to the machine learning model, that we can have all of this information that comprehensive generate for us. The demo will be published for you to look into the detail, but I want to talk to you about the most crucial section and why it's matter for machine learning models. It demonstrates latent space optic neural network to validate data utility. Synthergy include advanced visual analytics, PCA, or principal components analysis, reduce the dimension in large datasets to retain most principal components. So basically, the process is to figuring out what's the most important component to ensure the variance retention. TSNE review the structure by transform high-dimensional space to low-dimensional graph, which clearly separate two cluster, original and synthetic data. The UMAP is to confirm the cluster integrity. The tree graph combined is to validate if the synthetic data perform like the original one. So Synthergy has multiple use cases from simply generate shareable data to enhance privacy in your system to important insight to train your models. And it's adapted to every level of technicals. I hope you enjoy the demo and thank you for listening.